Hello and welcome, my festive friends. These holiday season, let's not only decorate our homes but also our hearts. From the first step in the stairs to the cozy corner upstairs and the warm gathering downstairs, every part of your home can shine with magical magic. As we explore this decorating ideas together, let me also share a few beautiful Christmas lines for you. The staircase in the journey of your home, the path that connects spaces and people at festival, it becomes a glowing pathway of joy. Wrap green gardens with fairy lights around the banister, add pine cones, berries, and red ribbons for that classic holiday look. Hang tiny stocking or wreath along the railing, each with a family member's name. Place lanterns or LED candles on each step to create a soft guiding glow. Create a snow effect with white ribbons, folk snow, and silver ornaments. As Charlie Dickens once said, I will honor festival in my heart and try to keep it all the year. When you decorate your stairs, you are reminding yourself and everyone who walks them that festival is about light, honor, and heart. Upstairs is where the magic becomes intimate bedroom, hallways, and quiet corner where we dream and rest. Add a small handmade festival tree on your nightstand. Decorate hallway railing, the garlands, and mini lights. Hang glowing paper stars in windows as your home shines as well. In children's room, place little felt trees or hang candy cans on their door for a joyful surprise. One of my favorite quotes says, "Festival is not as much about opening our presents as opening our hearts." Decorating upstairs is about opening hearts and filling each room with warmth and love. Downstairs is the heart of celebration, the living room, dining space, and entryway, where family and friends gather. Make your main tree the centerpiece of the living room glowing with ornaments and lights, style and fireplace with garlands, stocking, and candles. For the dining table, use tiny trees, pine cone, and candles as centerpiece as the entryway. Hang a wreath and place a basket of pine cones or a jar filled with ornaments by the door. So if you like this video, thanks for watching once again. Keep bright, keep shining. Keep shining like a star. Keep happy, smiling. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like the videos and ideas.